Charlie, you look quite down with your big fat eyes and your big fat frown. The world doesn't have to be so gray. Charlie, when your life's a mess, when you're feeling blue, always in distress, I know I can wash that sad away. All you have to do is put a banana in your ear.
A banana in my ear?
Put a ripe banana right into your favorite ear. It's true,
Says who?
so true. Once it's in your gloom, will disappear. The bad in the world is hard to hear when in your ear a banana cheers. So go and put a banana in your ear. Put a banana in your ear.
I'd rather keep my ear clear.
You will never be happy if you live your life in fear. It's true,
Says you.
so true. When it's in the skies are bright and clear. Oh, every day of every year the sun shines bright in this big blue sphere. So go and put a banana in your ear.